Benazit music.
Hey yo, alo batajja kenga muramwa gweno track ababaire hotingenda ababazaabo kuba nitwa abaloho baikara mukuwayeta abakingi bebera hip hop teta kingdom right to culture the right vibes to crazy whisper said Nelly said yeah. Bawakura papa iruka when I drop bars and the backtrack ya kabale genga itonjwaire whisper line my flow so sweet ingagandikira Switzerland bafake baswaire bona mbasindikira Swaziland ndi mubingo murwe cyana mu rubari kwerira hamasasa garunya flonda wire mwese ganjagi na katunguru chumu ene runya bise mu mizano ya Pablo bakelekele ifamu kyara sude runya javambi kunywegere engonze birongo na buli kimunyo wese mbere ankuwe sore genereka John speak birabino ukafoka missionary kuruka bunyoro Uganda mpaka kuri mu New Jersey.
Alright. So that's a very beautiful track all there from Whisper. Omwana wa Kabalega Omurusura. Nuko tugambira hangiriza gutamba.
Hangiriza omwebingwa, hangiriza
ekinungi, ekitulekere mirabere.
Hangiriza kabumba omulira iguburu abakufanira kungumuka.
Okay, tegereze. Omubito kusana na murubito.
Niwo ndi mubito ibara lyango kulihura ninyo.
Robinson ko mwiswa. Omubito.
Yego. Ombito wengoma. Ombito wengoma.
Otagabaga ngo oli prince.
Ganyo ndi mubito.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello kaliyo umezi bulibuta emerereta mukama yale kwa na kulinda amabara Joel tika simire akika muswazima omwana wa kaka lero tuina extended broadcast with the comrades and friends one Bulisa newsroom and the correspondent of Biso FM. Baba also bakwa mugi
Wakimandire media will always be media. Utkuband kwira the other way around. Listen newsroom and TV Uganda. We are one family.
We're always connecting.
Yeah, we're always connecting. Kyokra Shlokia Kuzo surprise. Plays another extended broadcast.
I get you.
Yeah, first of its kind. What we call live in the studio of TV Uganda.
Nuko na baba bana bakwa mugi ni babifunao. Bagama bata kufuna.
Kubani wabitunga hona bona.
Kubani mubitunga hona live. Robinson.
Yes.
Ramkia batuli live nabo.
Ibenda ya mnyoro kitara hona na wali mkali tukubagonza tuwaramukize tena ukangira mwebale mno.
Legendary journalist.
Yeah,
legendary
journalist. Yeah, I'm a legendary.
Akozere ibaro mahuru.
Mamiaka yayeto.
It's basing on projects that I've been working with, the experience.
Nyowe kugena kweta legendary journalist hamukuwe mtongole byo bene bikurambi bibiri nibiyambo bwana buto nuko gena gamba amojere katumuhereze kya legendary
Joel ebitongole bitubimbeni nkorana byo bene bikonyera abana bali minority children abana kati kutugeza ka love one ikairo hano nekonyera abana bali minority tubasupportinga buli mulingo tukubaha buli kyone kikwetagirwa kurura abana abo tubakonyere kandi kigendera kyetu kikaba kirinti konyera abana abo kikuteka harule ngurunda wensonga tukwantu ntuombeka Uganda yete yanyenkya abakwaitu tukurura omulembe guro okukuruga baita inagaruka ho mugigi ogundo
okugaruka hugo
gogo tugukonyere tuta so ebyo bikaba bigendera byaitu kandi bitusoboire kwikiriza yes.
Robinson abagabira legendary journalist nuko tumweta tutyo amusaya kuzina love one ekintu kyakwasiganya abachumukura buhura
yes population service international Uganda then by na love one international Uganda
abachungu ba Susan yabo twabaruraga burura ni mjambo bwana turaba Judy ODP yo
beta tikano kubirolera hano
bibi yo uno kubirolera hano na nyondi mukoto
Sobora kurugano tabalizira CEO Bernard Bamwenda
tumwetukira mweta manager Ben Ogo mwana ogo
CEO of project
Bernard wherever you are we respect and salute
Bernard is in South Africa is also running another project itukunira kuija hano egaruke ekonyere eyongere amaanyi so tukakemereze kandi tukangiraho
so kyagenda maiso
tulire kimunti butukuba tulina omukono gukonyera abaana bato bano tutekwa kuyihamu omulimu tutekwa kukora meki amaanyi so tukujja kwangiraho naijuri tukabantu gezaho coordinating ano kama bwetu wabunyoro kitara nitugezaho kurora tukonyere ekintu kitukora kino tukongeremu tutamani so no kama nabo bwakirora kitukora nikyo kandi nabo bwayikiriza kupataninga naitwe tutakangiraho tukozereyo na tukunira kupataninga na Try Africa kandi yo ku Try Africa actually bakampa obujunaanizibwa tukora nka public relations officer wa Try Africa so nja kusanga nibasobora bingi haba
Jinsa misa obirire mu namani legend
Joel kubaire kukora muno
na muno esonga yamani bagwesigwa
yes no kora muno so urabona kwesigwa baitu akora muno so tekwa kukora muno kwegambo tekwa kora muno yule kiki muno babene kigenderwa so kwesanga ati jwe tubenda dansega gwari mujumbo America uyarozere kitukora yagamba no ngenda kweyungaho sobole kitu kinyongera mamani.
My next is Bliss Newsroom.
Innocent atuganyira ewe mpaka
aboki akongo bagire mpako
of course
abako bali andaye mukama
yeah we are under no kitaki
aramke abagungu mu rugungu tuhule
Innocent atuganyira mwana wako amugi kandi nzaro bya Bulisya CEO and founder of Bliss Newsroom one of the online leading news sites in the Albertine region. Basically, to dealing in 80%, we give local content.
Local content
because we need to serve our people. By nakumanya kiki kufa muihanga or kiki kufa mkiweka vya
80% local content.
80% local content.
So Innocent. Ugambie local 80% local content. So 20% international.
No. 10%
10%
national,
yes.
10% international.
Well,
okay, crazy. So even the national is.
What
about when you say Nkegri kwai? Tinki manyire. Nkegri kwai. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a topic and a very simple one, a very brief one, serious point, simple but very serious. When the circumstances when it's happening in Masindi and behind it all, it has been our efforts to ensure that everything goes right hand in hand to the expectation. We are going to talk about some of this, the child negligence. Abana ba mobile mubarura embera nko kweli since COVID-19 came in, many children have been suffering a lot. Abamubaye mbarani batunda mukatali abambaye mwaram barabye town ebyanyanya bantu bakuramya sunga wiki bantu bakutera matafali, which is very okay kufuna ekikomi. Then there comes another situation, a very tough and alarming situation. Yokunaga abana mu toilet massive kikwasire fire. I don't know where it's coming from. Obamuze standing it and kekuruga nkaha. I don't know where it's coming. We have instance of the other side of Chatiri. We have the instance of Chatiri. We have another instance of Kirasa Kampala. Yes. That's the very worst situation. Robinson, as you legendary journalist, how have you seen this? Ekintu wakirora ango ki kano kitekereza
ekintu kino kirozere nyowe ko muntu nyatunga okwerarikira kwa amani abo kuba abana bakunagwa ombinazi bali bana bato kandi bali bana bato abakuzarwa abana baitwana kugamba ensonga ikizire kuletereza kintejo kikuletwa omwana azaye omwana omutahiwe
so how do we term it? Premature kwa wataka bayigire omwana kuzara omwana mutahiwe.
So ekintejo nko kiri kityo baitu njageza okisobora omwana azaye omwana omutahiwe kugamba omwana akuzara takegondeze so
obundi gambengu na grab by mistake
zikuba by mistake na twalenda by mistake
atali bede kola kibana twala
kyongeza okusobora yes okusanga omusigaza twekera omwana mutayiwe bazayira omwana mutayiwabo
kandi batakwesobora
tibakwesobora ati obokuba oli muzaire kwekalo kimanyi omwana wange azayira omwana omutayiwe so ati ano nja kusaba bazaire
Robinson Bazolindo
yes
hali ojja kwika kuterana n'omusajja ogwo n'omusigazi mugenzi wawe mwisiki mukagenda kwika kutwala enda okayika kumuzaala mu mwana habukwanti ngo batakayikire tokuba otakafuna emekitekereza kigamba no habakini nja kunaga omwana ogutere
Mr. Joel kankuweho incidents enu last week mbaire paida kyalo kibakweta actually 2 weeks back alangi nya story mbaye tugenze covering oko eri about this incident so kunkabuzaho nti nkesanga omusigazi myaka 16 akabana asoma mu A3 wetu wemberero henu
ya covid
yes akatweka omwana w'emyaka 14 bazayira omwana
so abana bazayira omwana
yes tunyongeza okumanyisa nti omwana azayira omwana mugenzi we so hano atyambi kumanyisa kinti omuzaire omwana wabana mutekwa kujja kuwataniza n'abaana bano
nibo baina kubana bazaire
actually abazaire babana bana bazaire omwana
baina kuba bazaire babana bano
bazaire babana
so ato tali mujukuru na wali mwana
bora bakuba bana bani
so for your case ngoku kitamingamu a case ogitwaire halevo ya omuzaire nibo batakufayo
no abazaire tenkusobola kuba blaminga baitu niyo kinkusobola kugambira abazaire bafeeyo muno kuterera abaana kandi nekindi abazaire tibalina kumanya nti balina kugonza abaana baabo ne bakyali bato omanyire omwana bwakukulaho n'agenda omwana buli mwana bwakakukulaho so abazaire buli bijananiza wanyu kugonza abaana abo nemukyali bato nemukyayi nabo ekyo njo nkusobola kugambira.
Now the other side of police innocent iyo kuruga police should we take it tingu police obatole tugambe tingu sikira kwali amazirenti ito nti babulisa bakuzanga ne bamunaga amaizi ensuma kini Syria it can happen probably
kubantu kona that this is not at the level of the district but in most cases it's a national issue kuyoga mangu ya just picking a scope.
Actually it is not a national it is an international issue. Last time kikaba mutunuzia bana nkafuna rupapura rutunuzia ni bagamba bale bana 19 abazayiwe ni banagwa so ito tulege
innocent brings us a point from Lisa.
Yeah, now katwa at district level obono bitoke bitulum all kubantu anti most cases okwagia bana bato. Okay, I'm putting this blame on parents. Reason being bana bechera somero these cases have been down. Most of prigina so close. Chonke bana beri kwa mugi. Meaning ngoti vaina muntu akusaka bana baterera. Maybe parents are busy, we can't tell. But kubantu comparing, it's our work as parents. Kwananti omwana tumukulize na amanya kikiki ali. And most cases abazaire ali tukora gensobi. Tukwikaza abana kubaterera.
So omwana counseling and guidance tikyalo. Abokuba kusana muzaire ali busy, akora guli. Mwana na bati libati. And another issue is as the government tutongere kutamu mani kuba abana bona baina equal rights. So now the government also is coming in
some loophole. Alo kusanga ndo abalumo mwana mwisiki.
Yeah.
Girl child matters. Baby remember these things happens because of two parties.
The boy and the girl. And actually that's why I remember last week they celebrated the girl child.
Yeah. So toksa utoja kugama mwana musikaja kutwala ndatatele nini mmoja.
Tekisoro kubakana na dinira mais.
Nkimanyisangu abazaire tulina kuro mulingo kwandolinga abana bayo. Boss mmoja mwisiki. Tutabyambya rubajulumu mwana mwisiki tumwerinde. Otarubata mukiro mujo na rubata mukiro.
Unagena kurura Jackie Chan action movie ati mumupira
noja kusanga ngo omwana muojo ajafuna any opportunity yo kumeeting muziki because we could bakora kitibako mufuga so that's why the problem
no baragene nyuma yebitoke
we kasta kyo kirakora okirawo so kikuloranti abazaire tukwatanize hamu ava maso batubuliminga gavumenti bakingura omasomero bakole but what role have you played as a parent kura nti omwana tiyatwarenda n'okusanga ng'omwana takwesobola ali muto nsanga yenda bakwatagiyiremu nagama kafuta kuza mwana kankole kamutainga at least mwijuna ukwata kusakuba namurolera ano sangangu n'abazaire tukumonitoringa abaana endoba tayaabo omwana warukira nagenzerenka ana alokusanga abazaire obundi omwana halaki ali muto amusinkimo anko wahayi tomanyimo anko wayarata ijuka muntu ondi tajja kurola omwana waawe
wakumurolera
nikibasanta abazaire if we can let us get the way rounds of looking after our children iwo kuzirepikao mwana wo kwendagendeka remember this is a journey kandi kasanga omwana bona abaire mwenda kozereki neche yahinduka becomes a parent no sanga mubiri guhinduka face of nehinduka because abasenze n'umusayi kukubanza
nabani nkanyanya mu face
no sanga mwana muto baitu akusana muntu mukuru so niho kurora nti abazaire mu kwehara bino byona
tukubisekera ke birungi baitu embera yo eri serious Robinson
Yes.
I think singa kuntaribanza the last instance evaide ho
Yes.
buwa mtampikira mu toilet omwana
Ego.
the parent obuzata kakwe kuzokawo.
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
If you kila saa or back here.
Yes, you are captain.
Yes.
The parent has not been seen anywhere.
Yes.
What do you think on that point?
Is it a take to where I'm working or my idea? Just
Your idea.
my idea. What could be the next step? Nyowe kanyoki kusobola kugamba. Tuwete abekulembezi. Abokuwa kama buliredi. Kwatandiza naitwe. Na projects ezimu ka Love One, Population Service International, na abantu abanda bentasobole kusobora n'abantu abanda bakimura abantu kinomu nabo balirede kujja kukonyera hansonga ekyo.
Hansonga ekyo.
Yes. No.
Ati obukonyezi buraba bwingi butano. Utulekara ngo tokutegeza ati kijja kurugayo nikigamba Joel ndazara kankanage mtoyi nuko baje bakakonyere barakayayo.
No, tutugenda ekitugeza okora. Tugenda kwikiriza Joel ofune kitekerezo kuzara omwana onage mtoyi.
Your plan, the way forward is on sensitizing the masses now.
Yes, our way forward is to sensitize
The masses.
About the dangers of throwing those kids in the
toilet
or toilets. Yes, actually we have taken a step to kill at the level of finding out abana batwayenda mu bichweka. Abana batwayenda mu bichweka bokuba bakutugamba abana batwayenda batakakira emyaka eyokuzala bali buchweka nkama bali buchweka nkagana butano
65%. What do you think has caused that, Robinson?
Kikizire kuletereza ebyo erimbeera yeturumeno lockdown nayo erumu na nebindi abantu ekike bakwekabumuka kusoma actually lockdown mu byone lockdown
omwana warabana ikaramuka.
Yes.
Ugandeting lockdown omwana kwikaraka
alonka
akufuna ata access ekuruga muka kugenda ku meetinga Joel mu center.
Ti kusobora aho Joel kiri nti abana baitu bano tuwatu bateyumuka ubundi kisobora kubeera kizibu kyokwata omwana okamugamba otaluwatu tagenda nka ate omwana mukuru batakandi ololera kimu actually bitu nibikuba obundi okusanga omwana giri haizibwa kuleta maizi obundi abandi bakubikoraga obundi abandi bagenzere bamukusenya okulo obundi agenzere oba mu filimu so buli bujunanizibwa actually buli bujunanizibwa omuzaire kyokka buli bujunanizibwa omunayuganda
Munyamasindi, Munyaoima, Munyakikube, Munyakiryandongo, Munyakagati.
Abo kuba kino nyenkya kiro wawe, joli kiro wange, joli kiro wodi.
Mumutayi.
Okyetegereza. Kiro wange, kiro wawe, kiro wodi. Kugamba itwena tukukwatu waho.
Kandi bagamba omwana weihanga.
Omwana ono weihanga. So buli bujunanizibwa bwomusi wensi. Kurugayo okaija okakonyera omwana ogwo atakabaire kusisikala. Go.
Listen is room.
Olikuba nikyoza henyuma ishe ya okunaga abana. Olikuwa tulanta office ya Masindi, probation officer that is in his anity. Akatusobora henyuma awo In fact, not even 2 months back, not even a month, if I'm not mistaken, 3 weeks, akaba stranded in abana akabasatu.
Bana basatu.
Ababiri akabasanga office yayi.
Babana kiromba. At least that one I support it, it's okay. What mwana mnaga office ya wanduka.
Yes, then the government.
Then
take it away from
me. Neighbor no yamulese.
Bakamnaga mwa neighbor. I also supported that.
Neighbor also disappeared. So the contract is in the zone as kwimuka. In most cases there are some family issues. Halo kusanga nto muzaire. Bako batabukira. Olwe nagamba mwana wawe ngugo. Nesango nakozereki. Atakwesobola nagenda. And what I'm saying, what we should do as leaders, LOC one is by nakuandikisa abantu bana.
All the local people bona bakuijo bamanye
Joel apansize mwa Robinson Innocent obona apansize mwa Joel obondi Joel apansize mwa Innocent
akarukira ki bigando mwa kanyine nkuru abaza tinati then there you get
I would like to add on something small about what is telling us. Nti kuandika abantu abo kikuru muno kandi nekindi kingoza kuongera kuti tuhandike n'abana bayinenda mu akyaro kyaitu at the village level
tiwarazara tumumondaring
yes
ati weraba yebiro bisatu
no like weka mu kimyezi 3 tukuteka mu register ya
nti omwana tugeze ko ha production zaitu tugeze nti Montes azaire atwairenda enda ya Joel
tutegereze Montes ainenda
tukale
tumontaringa
akora another issue eyo nakubaze ndo tugandwa issue ya kirasa musikibetaga kawona yabena akora one of the bus which I can't mention in the studios tukwanto muisiki after dumping the child in the toilet people were able namanya mwisiko nakabainenda
itakiazoka o
meaning that it's very important however much LOC ones may not be able after they do this work of they're not paid at all wabata kusa monitoring what of the neighbors what role have you played to ensure that
by the way this time round Kabaka Hamza chairman LOC one akaba very serious. He was monitoring he had a meeting akatufuka meeting ya agenda yakora the same stuff. Likewise, the other side.
So Florent no by correct. So had been in the dance song gig. And most cases what I'm seeing, we need to have enough orphanages in this place.
Enough what?
Orphanage centers.
Yes.
Like in Masinda I know one, which I can't mention here in the studios or Mutete Uganda.
No, we have Maria. Bana Muamajara.
Yes,
Maria the team.
But you see very overwhelmed. Our issues rising amid this COVID-19. So what I'm saying, if we can do a bit of these issues can be solved. But again solved by what? By human being. So kiken chieko sava ankabazaire tubone bana betu balingire koronge. No matter the situation we are in, the government buli muntu wena aba kurungi ngakatanka kurungi. No. Life is a journey. Okusa kuzala omwana takusa mulolera muzale mukama nwakuzi.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, my name is Joel Tikasimire. I'm with the legendary journalist, that's Commissioner Robinson, and I'm with One Bliss Newsroom CEO, one of the online platform and correspondent of BISO FM. That's none other than Innocent Atuganyira. We are on an external broadcast about child negligence. These issues have been happening around Masindi and around some areas of Nyoro. So we are tackling those issues to see the way forward. How can we solve this? How can we forego these problems so that we ensure that the child right is emphasized? Robinson.
Yes.
This issue is going on.
Well,
what would you suggest the government can also do, as the government can also do to solve this?
Personally, what I would suggest for the government to do to sort out this challenge, this greatest challenge that is taking us in every corner. At least the government should provide some kind of grant, in form of loans. Yes, to these younger people.
And before that,
Mr. Moderator, protect me from this gentleman.
before Mwongera,
Protect me from him.
I want
Let's first get a point from you.
Protect me from him. Yes. So, kusaba government etungireyo grant, etungireyo obusente akiri. Nobera bitali government, esobola kuba nani governmental project. Zitungireyo obusente okusupporting abaana bano. Abaana bakutwaraga enda nibenda kuzaala abaana batali babo. Tubatungireyo obusente obutito obukubemerezaho batukubatera mu business. Actually ati buno bwe bujulaniziwa bwaitu. Sente zo ziroho jwere tukaziro bingira. Sente ziroho ka Sabra Enterprises. Yakazitekaho 200 millions. Because genda kwani ziraninga hano mu region yaitu hano. Kyonkati tukabaire ku bantu malira ebikwetagisa kutandika.
Omuntu wa hansi akuruka bigando ajja kuba nakimanya ta Robinson. First what you say.
Yes, nikyongeza okusobola nti omuntu wansi agenda kukimanya ati bitu ebenyini buli bujulaniziwa waitu nga Sabra Enterprises. Actually, nkoranka credit manager mu Sabra Enterprises. Abwire buno ngenda buli bujulaniziwa waitu kugeza okusomesa abantu. Actually tugenda kikolera at the sub county level. Tulika sub county level. Sub county
ni batwara a parish
level. Then parish nyega kutwara at the village level. Finding out banaki abatwaire enda mu bwire buno bwabanaki abatwaire enda mu bwire obwatakai bwire bategondezemu. Ntulo mwana ngwara abatwaire enda tugya kumukonyera kumara mwezi mwenda ago nende egitu mukonyera tuta.
Don't you think that will lead abana bantu kwandi batware enda?
No, tikikuja kuba kityo.
Abakubanya nja kuba ndi kumita ne kumita paraffin nfuna ka senda ko kweyamba.
Joel, kimkwendo otegereze nti abana bano abakukira kutwara enda bakwitwara batagondeze tikuli kugonza kwabo tikuba mutima.
Innocent.
What I'm saying is, I had an issue that was really inching me on the bottom of my heart. What I'm saying, yes, it's good for government to fund such people, but I'm also saying the other way around. Instead of kulindo kabutaro kajanja bikihoje, aki kitangizo kitakora
prevention is better than cure.
So nikionkurora, however much government is also doing great. Kukurora imioga zikaija. YLP, YL Manya,
Youth Livelihood
Funds, Kaija. So government is doing what it can to improve the livelihood of the citizens. But as parents, we shouldn't look at the government. Who's government? You are government, I'm government, it's government.
Everybody is a government.
So let us play our roles. However much the government is coming up to support us, but it haven't target.
But what I can say, like before the government comes in to support, ask yourself, as a Ugandan, what have I done? What have you done? What have you done before calling for the government? Before calling for the non-governmental to come in? What have you done? You as an individual.
What role have you played?
Yes, you as an individual.
You should first play a role.
Yes.
Before you seek the government to come in.
Before you seek for the government.
And
just take
and also in most cases, kusanga abazaire when mwana wo muziki and you know at the age of 14, 12, 13, muri kwa gukora ki nguhindura when the body is developing, and you say I know there's some gap between a girl child and the mother. Omuzaire atakusa kwikaza omwana waye tukura nkera buli bahembaga ebyota abesenkuru baita abontu
nasoroza abana bona nibabasoroza
for education akina kintu bakina kiti
mu myaka y'ensanju ebitaro obwire bunu.
And another issue also alokusanga abana ali bakusisikaga mu cases most lockdown okusanga omwana ala TV from morning to evening.
Not only that, ala WhatsApp ana mu blue move
now
watching.
Ndosangati omwana is not regulated even if you are watching a TV. However much the cartoons, and the cartoons okusanga correct because the cartoons and these movies they act but they change them to what cartoon from so no kusanga tikizi kukirao. What I'm saying mostly parents, let us regulate our children. Mostly.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can see Davi and the team also commanding. They need to see where Melissa Newsroom they're going in for the next broadcast live in the next news hour. I think let's just give her a last word because those guys are already serious. And what's your last say, Innocent?
Innocent Tuganyira, the CEO and founder of Melissa Newsroom. So you can just have a zaidi. Tuenengo bana betu bali kurungi and during this era of COVID-19 because that's the future. Kasanga mwana twala under 30, it will take him a hard time to do what? To recover. That's all.
Mwaso bazo gambe, that's how they say. Bazo were baba bazaire. Bazo were baba bazaire. They should take charge. They should be serious of the children in Lugungu, is it?
Yeah, so because in Kawaza it's our responsibility.
Bazo ba were Lugungu.
Wanango wanatukulikiani tubalindiri because this is their future and also your future. Kasanga byala mwana mugwago, mwana tasomero, mwana tena kyakora wo kuza kona meso. So will let us do what it can to look after our children. In
Robinson, what's your last to say as we are coming the end of this program?
Actually, Joel, what I can tell you is simple. That my last say actually, what my brothers have been telling us, it is a take home at Love One. Actually, my brother has given me a lot. I've learned a lot from him. So, actually, your points are take home to where I'm working. We're gonna do whatever it takes to improve your points. We need to put them in practical.
Into action.
Yes, we need to put them into actions. We take a way forward because really
the warning is too much. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joel Tikasimire Akiki. Omuswazma omwana waka with one legendary journalist, that's Robinson Komuiswa, and one CEO of Blissa Newsroom and the correspondent of BSO FM, that is Atuganyure Innocent. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Before you do something also, remember what are the consequences of this thing. How is it going to affect me? How is it going to be in the other section? How will somebody feel it? How will somebody think about it? Think twice before you do it. So we take the charge. We shall come up with the other people. I remind you, we shall have the Women League, the chairperson, that is Evelyn. We shall have the chairperson. We shall have Brian, the coordinator for the youth. We shall have a lot of them. Even some of the journalists, we shall have even those from BSO. The is called who? Chazo, something like that. The Rizzo Christ, we shall have him here with us in the studio. Once again, I'd like to say thank you so much for being live with us. Till we meet again in the next session. May God bless you.